after the short walk, we decided to go back to the hotel. However, we waited for a couple of hours, but the room that we're supposed to take, the people from that room were not yet able to check out. So she told us to just walk around, find somewhere else to eat for lunch. And yes, we're here. We decided to come to Central Festival in Chiang Mai. Let's find something to eat. I'm hungry. Oh yeah, Starbucks. We'll see the mugs and tumblers later. I'm so excited to check out what they have in store. But later, we'll check Starbucks later on. To be honest, we're actually starving already. We were not able to eat We're not able to eat breakfast because since we arrived in Chiang Mai, we only had like a short snack, the McDonald's snack earlier, and then after that we did not eat anything already. So we're hungry and we're looking for somewhere to eat. So we're back now and we have finally checked into our hotel. So right now we are checked in at Celosia. Sorry for that one. So we're finally checked in at Celosia. So we actually booked this one way back a few months ago, and we got this room for 4,500 only. And let's give you a quick room tour. So as you can see, the room is kind of simple, and that's our aircon. So we have inside, and when you get inside, you automatically get the bed already. You have a TV on the side, a bit of hanger, the refrigerator, the fridge. We also have a small counter here, free water, coffee. And again, that's the bed. We have a mirror here where we can do our basic stuff, soap, mugs or glass, and the sink. So onto our toilet. This is our toilet here. Tissue, just a simple one, but it's very elegant and neat. So we have shampoo and conditioner readily available here in our hotel. So this hotel actually has two buildings, one with the more expensive one, and this one which is at a lower price, priced at 4,500 for 5 days. I think that's more than enough savings that you can have here at Celosia.
Just then.
If you heard so much good things about Chiang Rai but you don't know which trip to take, well, there are lots of travel agents willing to assist you on which trips you could take for your holiday here in Chiang Rai. There's one trip that you can go to PHAE. There's even a trip to going to the Golden Triangle, and there's even a trip for you to see the night safari. And all of those trips we will be taking throughout this week.
Wow!
Wow!
So aside from the wonderful sights and scenes here in Chiang Mai is also known for its delicious Khao Soi. I don't know if I said it correctly, but it's a crispy noodle soup with chicken. And right now we're walking towards one of the best. Let's check this one out. Cây chiều như này hả? Cây chiều rồi có ao này nè, sao đó? Yamuyo hả? Pilih coklat. นี่นะครับอะไรนะยำแคมนุ่นยำปูก็รสชาติดีข้าวสวยต่อนะครับนี่ครับผมต่อนะครับต่อทำอะไรเนาะข้าวซอย Dinner time's over. I'm so stuffed.